So hello guys, what's up? I hope all of you are fine. I am fine here. Today I have a new guest, Lenovo Ideapad Slim 3. The model is 14IAH8. This is i5 12450H and the RAM is 16GB. The storage is 512GB. Okay, it was seal packed and I told the shopkeeper to open the seal. Now I am going to open this. It is a glossy one. The fingerprint is easily added here. Okay, let's try to open this with the one hand. Is it possible? No, it is not possible. We should use the two hands to open this. Yes, after opening the laptop, this is the first interface you look. It will automatically open. I did not press any of the switch here. This is called instant rise to wake. This is the screen brightness. Let's look how bright it can be. This is the maximum brightness. It is decent brightness, not too much bright, not too much low. It is better than its competitors. Yes, let's reduce some brightness. Okay, I have placed the microphone here near the speaker. This is one speaker and that is another speaker. Let's hear the sound. Okay, talking about the sound quality, it is decent quality. It has 2 watt speakers and the sound is neither too high neither too low. It is okay. Seeing the price range, it is okay. And this is the keyboard layout, you can see, and here is a fingerprint sensor also. Okay, this is the keyboard. You can look how the keyboard looks like. The touchpad is decent size, not too big, not too small, and the keyboard can travel up to here. Yes, it is okay. Since the processor is very strong, let's look how many seconds it took to open any app. Yes, it is quite fast. Okay, let's look the storage. We have 512GB of SSD where 476GB is usable. And let's look the gestures also. Okay, is it working properly? Yes, 3 fingers is working properly. Yes, I am using 3 finger. How it works, the clicking feature. It is not clickable on the upper side. From here it is clickable. It can work, okay, but here it doesn't work. It is not fully clickable, but it is okay. And another feature here, this is the physical shutter button. You can turn on and off the camera physically. Let's open this. Yes, this is the camera. It is covered here. We have to remove this. After that it will work. Let's look the camera. Okay. Yes, it is working properly. Hello guys, this is the overall laptop. It is slim, it is portable, it is easy to carry, it is powerful also. I think it is the best laptop under 70,000. Let's look the ports. Here is power cord, here is type A, this is HDMI, this is type C, and this is microphone, 2-in-1 microphone. On the back there is nothing, and on the right we have one USB type A port and a full size SD card reader. And here are some indicators also. Yes, this is the sticker. Here we have model name and other details also, and this is the genuine warranty. This is the front look, and let's see what is inside the box. This is a power cord, 3-pin. The length is also quite decent, and here is a small champion. This is 65 watt charger, small champion. Its pin is also small, and we have a bag. Okay, let's look inside. These are the stuffs we get. Here is a mouse, Logitech mouse. Here is a laptop cover, keyboard protector, mouse pad, and some documentations. So guys, this is the overall video of Lenovo Ideapad Slim. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe, and comment down below what else I have to do to make my YouTube journey better. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up, peace.